So here's the first example. A car follows a level road for 500 meters before turning onto a road angled at 30 degrees to the horizontal, which is connected onto the end of the straight road. The car travels 2,000 meters along that road before stopping instantaneously. We're first told to work out the total displacement, and we're also told to find the average speed of the car in kilometers an hour if it took 20 minutes. So do go ahead and try this. You will need a good bit of vector knowledge and some logical trigonometric skills. And when you're ready, come back for the solution. So here's the model solution. Part 2 you can just ignore for now. So 500 meters first, and then angled at 30 degrees. I've conveniently made this 90 degrees for simplicity. So the first leg is 500 meters, and the next one is 200 meters at 30 degrees to the horizontal. So the way we can approach this is that if we section off this top little section here, so this entire journey separately, so this entire journey, the vertical displacement is 1,000 root 3, because that comes from this 30 degrees, and it's 1,000 across. That comes from 2,000 cos 30 and 2,000 cos 30 is down here, and 2,000 sine 30. So because this is 500, this length will also be 500. So we can show that if we just isolate off this right angle triangle, the ones with the dotted lines, it's 1,000 going horizontally, and then we have 500 plus 1,000 root 3 going up, forming our little right triangle because we have a square. So s squared is 1,000 squared plus this quantity, 500 plus 1,000 root 3 squared, which is roughly 2,446 meters. So obviously this isn't to scale. This isn't actually much of a difference from following the road. I've just exemplified it a bit for this example. The second part, average speed is distance over time, or we found its displacement over time if it took the displacement route. So it'd be 2,446 over 20 by 60, which is 2.04 meters per second, and convert to kilometers an hour, that's 7.34. As an extra challenge, I would like you to find the difference in speed, the difference in average speed, I'll just call V bar, between traveling along the displacement line and traveling along the distance line. So that's a nice little follow-up question for you to try.